Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I am so happy you found us. And if you're back for a second, third, or more time, thank you. You are super appreciated. Today, I realized Mother's Day is not that far off. And I thought, what am I going to get my mom? My mom is super hard to buy for. And she doesn't really expect anything. It's like me. I tell my kids, you don't have to get me anything. Just come see me, call me, FaceTime me, whatever. And I'm good. But I thought, what could I do for my mom? And like I said, she's hard to buy for. She doesn't really want anything. But she likes cards. She likes mushy things, like memories, those kind of things. So I thought it would be really cool to kind of combine the card and the memories. And I thought I would make her a waterfall card. Another idea I had was to redo the fall flippy thing here and make it Mother's Day because it would hold a lot of memories, maybe some gift cards, that kind of thing. So let's just get into this video and let me tell you what I have on my brain. So simple. I thought, why don't I make something that can maybe hold a picture, maybe put a poem because she loves those like mother-daughter poems, something like that. And I came up with this really cool idea to use some more of these junk mail envelopes that I have a ton of and to make a waterfall card. And all I did was take 2 envelopes. Okay, I folded them to where they're layered like a waterfall. And then I cut one side off because that's the pocket. That was the opening anyway. And I just trimmed it up, made it nice. And that's going to be the pocket for a gift card, for maybe if we had a lot of pictures from a certain memory. Maybe this whole thing's devoted to a vacation we went on or a birthday, or, a past birthday or something like that. So there's a lot to put in here. There's lots of pockets. Every flip is also a pocket. So I thought that would be fun. And the great thing about this is you can do it sew or no sew. To attach them all together, you could stitch across here, or you could take your stapler and just staple across. Either way, doesn't matter. Now, the first page here I covered with some book paper, and this is going to be like our introduction to what this is. So it might say Happy Mother's Day, or it might say Happy Mother's Day, love you, Mom, or love you, Mom, and have a picture of you and her, and then maybe the gift cards in this first pocket. Then as you go through, there'll be memories. And look, you can utilize this window for a photo. You could write a poem on the side. You could write a poem here. You could put more photos. You could put, if you have any mementos from whatever you're reliving with her, you could put some of the mementos you saved in here. Maybe you want to take her on a trip or a special outing. Then make this about that. Give it to her and say, hey, Mom, we're going to fill this up together. And like I said, to do it, you just take your envelopes. These are junk mail envelopes. Fold them. So when you fold them, they're layered. So you have like this. Okay. And then you can come back and stitch or staple across here. Or you can cover them first, decorate them how you want to. I like to really stitch first because maybe I don't know how I want to decorate it, okay? So I would stitch or staple across here. You could put a piece of fabric across here to make like a little, finished look for it. You could put some decorative paper. I kind of like this ladybug ribbon. I could staple that on, or I could sew it on, and I kind of like this ladybug ribbon. I could staple it on or sew it on, and it could be the top of my little waterfall card or booklet. And then on here, I was thinking, you could put, like I said, picture of Mom, Happy Mother's Day, Mom, and this could be the start. You could put, make some of these beautiful 3D butterflies that we made before, put it on there, decorate the page with our base. I already did the base, but you'd put your base, your pretty, and then your bling, which would be this. You could put your word, which would be the butterfly. And of course, you want to put your words, Happy Mother's Day, Love you, Mom, whatever. Okay? And then the next pages would be more about the same, or you could do different things. You could do different trips, different memories. You could do a poem on one page. You could share, whatever you wanted to. Make it your own, and just remember, this can be no-so or so. And let me show you how it would look with this cute little ladybug across the top. I think this one I'm going to stitch on, but I also have one over here, another one, that I'm going to staple. That way you can see how they both look. Let me do the staple one first, and I'm just going to get a piece of blue paper and kind of fold it across so it looks like that. Okay, because say Mom's favorite color is blue. Then all you do to bind, quote unquote, this is you come in and you staple. Let's scoot it down a little more in the center, of course. And then you just staple on one end and then come down and staple on the other end. And there you go. Easy, no sew. Decorate to your heart's content. This one is going to be stitched. I'm just going to run and go stitch my little ladybug on real quick. That's the back. As you can see, I stitched it. It's white in the front, so you can't see it. It's white in the front, but you can see it there a little bit. And it's all stitched and ready to go. So, super simple. Then you just decorate and fill the pockets. Remember, these are all pockets. I cut them with scissors that have this wavy pattern just to make it a little more feminine, a little more fun. Then you just decorate and make it your own. Share secrets with Mom, whatever you want to do. So you have two options, a no-sew and a sew version. Up to you. You can mix and match. You can use fabrics. You can use papers. Whatever you want to do. Make it for Mom because Mom deserves it. Okay, something else you could make that would be great for photos, memories, and fill it with gift cards, maybe to her favorite restaurant, her favorite home goods store, maybe her favorite clothing store. Maybe if she likes, I don't know, to get a Coke and there's a hole punch somewhere where she can punch it. She likes to do stuff like that. If she likes playing the lottery, fill it with lottery tickets. Now this is from fall, so discount the fall. But just imagine the same thing. It's also it's also no-sew. You could tie it with some pretty green, pink, whatever Mom's favorite color is, ribbon. Make it very feminine for Mother's Day. Change the papers. But you get the idea because these are all, again, little pockets. You could put gift cards, like I just said. So guys, I hope you like these two very super simple, very easy, but very meaningful gift ideas, card ideas for Mom because, moms always deserve the best. Let me know down below what have been some hits with your mom in the past. Trips, special presents, or just sitting, coming over to have dinner, FaceTiming, calling, a card. Let me know what Mom's special Mother's Day gift was that she absolutely loved. Thanks for being here today. Take care. I will see you next time. Bye.